You gonna come like what percentage? Like 100%? You're gonna
I don't
come?
know. My mom wants to call. Just gotta make sure my dad and my mom can join me there. And if that's the case, we chilling. Okay, where my task at? I like this map way better. I swear if I get killed, I'll be pissed. Okay, I get fucking killed.
Okay, so I think I know who the fucking imposter is.
I'm
Fucking
killing my
purple.
fucking task. Bro, you're not supposed to say nothing until that.
How you gonna say I'm the imposter? How?
No, I didn't die, nigga. But
The hell's the
this nigga trying
imposter?
to close me in the fucking door, bro.
No.
Yeah, I saw you.
God.
Like, you know how you try to like stab somebody, and you could see. Oh, yeah. You try to stab.
No,
Me.
it's not my nigga.
Yeah, it's brown. It's fucking brown. Brown is a fucking imposter.
Yeah.
If somebody kills you, don't say nothing though, Ant. I don't know if he just killed you, but you're not supposed
No,
to
I'm
say
just
shit.
letting you know. Brown is the imposter. So if I die right now, it's brown.
Bro, what, you don't even play this game right. Like, what the fuck?
Ow.
Oh, because you're not supposed to say shit. You're supposed to just wait.
Yeah, but I can speak my mind.
See, you're not supposed to, but whatever, do shit.
Bro, this
Oh,
car
God,
shit is annoying.
I can't get the table! Oh my god! The fact that it wouldn't let me call an emergency meeting!
Did I report this dead body?
Yeah, you know who the fuck you. Oh my god, you're a bitch.
Jonathan,
bro.
I heard you
bitch.
laugh.
Fucking no. Oh my god! This nigga's a bitch. All I gotta say, he's literally a fucking faggot. The fact that I
Wait,
couldn't even.
give me a hint without giving
No,
me
I'm not giving a hint. I'm not. The fact that I couldn't even fucking press the table. I caught this nigga in the act too.
Yeah, I know it was Mikey. I'm voting purple.
No, it wasn't me, bro.
I'm not
Alright.
purple. I mean, Mike's not purple. What the fuck?
Yes,
I'm
I am.
purple.
I'm purple, stupid.
Yeah, I'm voting
Damn.
purple. I'm
Fuck
voting
you.
purple.
Oh my god, you niggas are retarded. You guys are retarded as shit.
Don't tell me I got fucking picked.
Cause purple is being weird.
This
bro.
nigga! Damn. You guys are retarded.
Cause purple was being kind of weird.
No, it wasn't.
Tells me I'll suck you in your fucking face, nigga. It's long cup.
Look at
yep.
the way you play the imposter. You're so shit
Nick.
at this game.
Nick,
The
It's long
imposter,
cup.
like, listen, the imposter right now is so ass, bro. It's so
Like, give me a hint about like their life.
Wow! I got that nigga to act. Got that
All right,
nigga
it's
so
long shot.
Bruh. Mikey, call out who it was that killed you. Oh, you died. Wait. You died, Mikey?
Yeah.
Wow. And think about this smart before you vote, Ant. Think about this smart. You feel
All
me?
right,
Think about it smart. Just think. Feel me? I ain't finna tell you nothing, but just think
all
smart.
right. So green called, so he probably killed him and called, so it won't act like
So
it
it's a
was
self-report.
him.
He self-reported.
Yeah,
or what?
bro. So I
That's
voted
you
green.
fucking stupid.
Yeah, and you're a bitch, nigga.
You just threw the game.
Nigga, I said, was it Onaga in the beginning? And you said, no.
I'm not supposed to say who it is. You're not supposed to say.
So, nigga, clearly, am I gonna think it is?
The fact, you know, it's crazy. I seen him right, so I caught him right. I was running to report on table, but I couldn't get there fast enough. The piece of shit killed me.
Damn, Nick, you just sold us.
You sold, bitch.
I know, nigga.
Don't
You
ever-
sold, bro. Like literally.
Don't ever say that
I
shit.
knew who it was the whole time.
Don't ever say that shit again. Yeah, of course, because you died.
No, I didn't. You're
Man, I
voting
couldn't
me
tell
out,
you. I was like,
because-
this nigga was about to go vet, bruh. I seen him, and then I ran away. I was like, oh my god.
Nick is
Bullshit.
an imposter.
This nigga sucks. Why y'all think it's me, cousin?
Cause nigga, I just saw your shit. Cause you know how imposter can see who's the other imposter?
There's only one imposter, though.
Nicholas Nunn.
I don't know who it really is. I'll tell you right now. You guys want to know?
Who is it?
Are you guys gonna help? Like, come on.
Go do it. Oh shit, we're about to lose.
Hurry.
Wow.
Oh my god, bro.
Wow.
What the fuck?
The fact
What
that
happened?